Peacock Angel by E.S. Drower being some account of votaries of a secret cult and their sanctuaries. Appendix A, marriage customs. As soon as connection has taken place, the bridegroom comes out of the nuptial chamber and displays to his three friends outside a kerchief stained with proof of the girl's virginity. I asked what happened if no sign of virginity were forthcoming. This happened in the case of a girl I knew, said my informant. It might indeed have been due to a fall when riding, or some other cases, right? For we women in the mountains ride, or perhaps from another cause. I told them that it was not necessarily a sign of unchastity, but they would not listen, and the bride was covered with a black veil and sent back to her people. Sometimes, if the young man finds no sign of virginity, and yet loves the girl and wants to keep her, he may take a needle or knife and draw a little of her blood to stain the kerchief and satisfy his friends. This custom is not confined to Yazidis, but it is practiced throughout the country of Iraq. And, well, you should know someone well enough before getting married, whether they have experience prior or not, or that you can trust them in the case of what they say in that case. But the idea that people have to listen in or witness the proof or something like this, no. Now, if you call somebody in to witness that you're catching an adultery in the act, that's a different story. You know, it's not for entertainment, it's for that the evil can be testified to, right?